Hello there, my name is Tito Jed. Tonight, I'm going to play Mobile Legends on my old tablet. As you can see, replacement ang ating rank hanggang ngayon. Diba? Replacement rank. Okay. Okay. Marinig yung volume, medyo malabo to. Magsisimula na ang placement match. Tingnan natin kung saan ka nabibilang. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Makikita nyo ngayon kung paano ako maglaro. Kahit na nasa tablet lang. O, diba? Ranking match. Siyempre, Layla tayo. Layla, puto maya. Oh guys, yan. Kung makikita nyo, ML. Placement rank, ano lang siya? Sa lumang tablet ko. Kate, napuwing ako doon. Oh yeah, macho si Tito Jed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Actually si Layla palang ang hero natin, guys. Alpha, Vexana, Dairot. Yun lang, apat lang ang ating hero. Wala tayong ibang hero, guys, kundi Alpha, Dairot, Hanabi, at Vexana. Layla. Si Tito Jed naglaro sa tablet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sabay ganun. Kung makikita nyo, guys, teka lang tatayo ko lang ang camera. Baka iniisip nyo nagjo-joke ako. Rank yan. Oh shoot. 1991. Okay. We are playing. Okay. Welcome to Mobile Legends. 3 seconds. Hoy, tap ka. Umid ka, oy. Pwesto ko yan. Nako, may kumag. Putik, mali pa ang binabaril. Mali na naman ang binabaril ko. Minsan tayo nakakairita sa ML. Kung bumabaril ka sa isang bagay, kahit na yung binabaril mo kalaban. Oh yeah! Nakapatay tayo ng isa. Nakapatay si Tito Jed ng isang kalaban. Actually, undefeated tayo sa Classic, guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung hanggang saan tayo magiging undefeated. Kung hindi magiging mga mangs ang ating mga kakampi, wala tayong problema. We don't have a problem because Tito Jed is great. Lol, dalawa pa kayo. Balmond ka pa. Putik! Huwag ka mag-lag. Ay, ang galing mo, ML. Minsan yun yung nakakainis sa ML. Masyadong lag. Naman! Huwag kang mag-lag pag gagalaw ako. Ay, putik.
The gun has justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save
Naglalag.
someone this time.
Putik. Putik. Huwag kang maglag. Oh yeah. Kung narinig niyo yun, you have slain an enemy, sabi ni ML. Double kill pa.
When pointing at the
Putik.
bad guys.
Actually, ako ang klase ng player na no surrender. Kahit low life na.
Girl is gonna save someone this time.
Kung makikita nyo guys, oh, lumalaban ako. Practice lang ito for MCL.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Sorry pinapatamad na lang ang daliri ko.
That once little girl
Putik.
is gonna save someone this time.
Yan ang nakakatikan dito. Ang lag. Saya nang mamatay.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
They think they can kill me because I have low life. Wow, English low life. Low HP, I mean.
When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Your team destroyed.
Partida yun ah. Pero kusang na dadagdagan yung buhay ni Layla. Actually.
The gun represents justice.
Marathon runner yung mga kalaban ko. Tumatakbo ka na malapit na mapatay.
Girl is gonna save someone.
Mga, sa madaling salita, mga desperadong manalo ang kalaban, guys. O, diba?
The gun has delayed. When pointing at the
Actually, di ba ako nag-retreat? Para kumuha ng mana.
that once little girl. Our turret is destroyed.
LOL!
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone.
Ay,
this time.
putik.
Time to shine.
Oh yeah, mega kill. Mega kill by Titi Jed!
Justice. When pointing at the bad guys. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Ano lang to, placement rank. Kung magiging epic tayo, mythic, master, or legend. Or warrior, or elite, whatever.
The gun represents justice.
Putik ka,
When
huwag ka
pointing at the bad
maglag.
guys.
Galing eh, humihinto sa kalagnan ng laban eh.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents unstoppable. When pointing at the bad guys.
5-0 to ang ating score, guys.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Sakit ng kamay ko sa totoo lang.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. Our turret has been destroyed. You destroyed a turret.
Actually, walang pumipigil.
Ally has been slain.
Pero hula ako na iinis na yung mga kalaban.
That once little girl.
Kasi sa aming tatlo, ako lang hindi mapatay, hindi nila mapatay.
The gun monster kill. When pointing at the bad guys.
602 yung ating score. Pero ang score natin ay 17-11.
He's gonna save someone this time. The gun represents
Minahal kita. Putik, huwag kang maglag. Saboy.
that once little girl. He's gonna save enemy has been slain.
703. Assist.
The gun represents
Ilalaman na natin sa panalong to kung anong magiging rank natin. Tatakbo muna tayo.
our turret has been destroyed. Legendary. Double kill. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. The gun represents justice. When pointing at you destroyed a turret. Legendary.
1003.
Ally has been slain. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. The gun represents legendary. When pointing at the bad guys.
Hindi, so mananalo na tayo.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Kung makikita nyo. O, di ba? Victory!
Victory!
O, di ba? Galing, di ba? Tingnan natin kung sino ang MVP. At kung ano magiging rank natin. Kinakabahan ako. Warrior 2, Warrior 1, Elite, Warrior 3, Elite 3 pala tayo. Wow. Legendary guys, legendary tayo. Rookie lang tayo sa larong to. Mali pa ako ng pinres. Teka lang ah. Okay. Moonton. Minsan pasaway din to si Moonton. Di naman kasi yun yung ano ko, pinipress. Titignan natin kung seryoso ang Elite 3 tayo. Dalawang lang ka na nagpasa natin. O, diba? Mobile Legends, bang bang! Magkakalaman ako, totoong Elite 3 Elite 2? Elite 3 tayo. Tagal eh. Elite 3. O, diba? Okay, this is Titi Jet. This is my first video for playing Mobile Legends on my old tablet, Amazon. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a daily video. Mega love shoutout sa aking 618 subscribers incoming.